Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today's journey is actually one that I've taken prior to and something that I've tried before, and that was shaving my face. And I had seen the Jaclyn Hill recent video of her shaving her face. Previously I had tried something, and that was these guys right here. I had tried the razors by Sephora, and this actually came in a 3-pack. It was I did try it once. I didn't feel like they were very sharp, and it really didn't do anything on my face, so I thought, okay, let's try another approach. So my second approach to that madness was buying this guy right here, and this is called Finishing Touch. And this is an electric. You can also use this on your brows, and this is also sold at Ulta. Now this one's kind of old, but it is battery operated, and it has a light, and it has also a movable head, and from there you would just kind of shave. And I don't have any like really dark hair or anything like that on my face. But I did notice that once I did start doing some down here, that my foundation really went on a lot more flawless. So from that approach, I went to a different device, and this is also called Flawless, and this is the guy that is all the rave right now. Now, this one really did work. This one works even better, but again, you don't get that close shave. Now this one is also battery operated, and they have many versions of it right now by the same company, Flawless. Some of them are gold, some of them are black, some of them are white, and it's battery operated, and you turn it on, and it's kind of like one of those old sweater deballers, you know, when you used to get like the pill on your sweaters. That's exactly how this works. So from this, you would just put this on your face, and it would take the fuzz off. Does it work? Yes, it does work. In fact, I'll show you a little bit of what's in there. So yeah, it does work. How often do I use it? Maybe once every 2 weeks or so, in just certain areas like around here that I feel like it's getting a little longer. Everybody has facial hair, whether it is of color or it's not. So then I saw the Jaclyn Hill video, and I immediately went to Amazon and I searched for the ones that she kind of popped up. She didn't name which ones that she had, but I saw the packaging, and this is what it is. Now let me go back and tell you the prices on things. This guy, I believe, was like $12 for 3 of them. This one sells at Ulta, I believe, for like $19.99. This one also sells at Ulta for $19.99. These guys were, it was a set of 2, I believe, for like $8. So this one is by Tinkle, and it says eyebrow razor on it. For beautiful brows, it's by Dorco, and it says it has a stainless safety cover on it. Like I said, I had previously tried the Sephora ones. I wasn't real pleased. I thought they were kind of like aluminum. It wasn't really a razor. I didn't like it. It didn't really do anything, or not what I was trying to accomplish. So today, let's try this one and see what happens. Now this one, of course, instructions, it just says, first remove the safety cap from the razor, glide the razor softly downward, don't press too hard. For more effective use, apply shaving cream before shaving. We're not going to do that. So let me move my mirror just a little bit closer here so we can see. Now, this is not, I'm going to put my glasses on here for a second. And I'm going to move some of this. Now, I've done this probably like a week and some ago, so I don't have a whole lot. But when she was talking about the dermablading and with dead skin and so forth, sometimes I feel like it's kind of chafed like here and like around my nose. So I thought, okay, let's try it, see what happens. So let's take the little blade off, the protective thing, and let's go at it. This one looks like it's a little bit longer. And actually this blade looks a little better than the other one. So let's put on my glasses here and let's get to work. So yeah, I mean, I can see some skin, maybe some hair a little bit like right there. As with this one, it encapsulates everything in here so that it doesn't go all over the place. So, but that's okay. This one is more free fall. I do have a fan running up top here. So let's just keep going. Okay, so yeah, I can see some peach fuzz. You can see some there that's kind of a little bit flying around. Let's try and do the other side. I'll admit it does feel really good on your face when you're doing it. It does feel a little smoother than the other one, and again you can see some peach fuzz there. Let's keep going. Let me turn my mirror over here. I'll get it a little bit closer because I'm not wearing my contacts today for this purpose, so I could like really see my face. Now, are you going to go the same direction on each side with the razor? I don't know, because I'm not, is it bidextrous, where you can do things with the same way with both hands. Wow. Now, in here between my brows, of course, my brow hair is darker than my facial hair. So I know that I had some little bitty pieces in between there from last time I got my brows waxed, and it really did take it off right there. So I'm impressed with that. Okay, so for that little bit that I did, yes, I can tell that this one was much better than the Sephora one. It does get a closer to my skin compared to this one, although this one is pretty effective too. So after this, I can feel that it's softer for sure. I won't be putting makeup on until tomorrow, so I'll be able to tell the real difference. But I am going to, as an after, I'm going to just wipe my face with water, and then I'm going to put on some black tea kombucha essence. So that is going to be my routine for tonight because I didn't have any makeup on today. So this will be part one. In a couple weeks I will do this guy again, and I will let you know my results on part 2. So I wanted to do just a quick check-in. This is the day after that I shaved my face right there, and I don't know if you can tell or not. It still feels really smooth, and actually I think the serum and my foundation actually went on a lot easier today. So I'm thinking that I recommend it. But like especially down in here, and when I put my bronzer on too, I could really tell a difference. So there you are. Thanks again so much for watching. Comment down below on anything that you have used in the past, something like this, and how effective it was, and share your thoughts. So thanks again so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. As always, God bless.